You want this? You want the rolls? You want the lambs? You got to ice bath. You got to manifest. You got to Pilates. You got to karates. You got to teas. Drink teas.
Gotcha. Anyways, now that I have your attention, here we go. Everyone watching this needs a raise. Because inflation is up 22% in the last 5 years. That's when your allowance stays the same, but your favorite toy gets more expensive. So someone who made $100K in 2020 is living off of $79 in 2025. Bills went up, but pay did not. You need a big solution, so try AI marketing. 30 million small businesses, all of them need more content. Almost none of them are using AI to do it. They write emails instead of using AI to do it. They do customer service instead of AI doing it. They make sales instead of AI doing it.
This is Brooke. How can I help you today?
They make videos instead of AI doing it. They're working harder instead of smarter. We both know business owners are way too busy to learn this, even though it's so simple I taught it to my 12-year-old niece. True story. So let me teach you how to do it so you can help them do it one-time, part-time, full-time, remote, or in bed. The only thing that's not an option is doing nothing when inflation goes up and stays the same. So, as the CEO of the $3.1 trillion company NVIDIA said,
if you're not engaging AI actively and aggressively, you're doing it wrong. You're not going to lose your job to AI. You're going to lose your job to somebody who uses AI.